Hello, today I'm in Kia Soul. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable cruise control. In the beginning, let's take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. To enable cruise control, firstly accelerate to desired speed, press this button that enables cruise control and press set button. Now you can let the acceleration pedal go and the car will drive on its own. If you want to increase speed, press plus button. To decrease it, press minus button. If you want to pause cruise control, press cancel. If you want to unpause it, again press set button. And that's basically it. To disable cruise control, again press this button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.